Today, let's make an experiment of how rain comes. The materials are a pan full of water and its cap. Let's start the experiment. Okay, now let's close the cap for some time. Due to the heat, water is boiling and water vapor is coming. This is called evaporation. Now let's close the lid, and now condensation is happening. Now I am going to off the stove. Let's check. When heat is gone, the water will come down. Now let's check. See? Some water droplets are coming down. Look at the droplets of water. And this process is condensation. Water vapor turns into water. If the same process is happening in the sky. When the water from the sea, lakes, etc. are all evaporated from the sun's heat, they will be formed as clouds. Then when the heat is gone, water droplets will be coming down to earth like this. This is how rain is formed.